y'all, so I'm going to make a keto version of my overnight oats. I loved overnight oats before I was on keto. Now that I can't have it, I Googled and I found a way where I can still have that overnight oats, but keto version. So the first thing is we're gonna use these hemp seeds. Let's see, so I'm gonna make a coconut flavor. So for that one, you're gonna need 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds. So that's 1 tablespoon. And now we're gonna do chocolate chips. So since I'm almost out, you wanna do half a tablespoon of these chips, but I am out. I don't have very many, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw what I have in here. Since I am making 2, I'm gonna try and split that. So put a few chips in there. Now I'm going to get these coconut flakes. So you want to do about half a tablespoon of coconut flakes. This is the bag is ripped, so I'm just going to just scoop it out this way. Kind of sprinkle that on there. All right, and then I also like to add, let's see, I'll do chia seeds in this one. So I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of chia seeds. All right, and now I'm going to add my milk. So I'm using the Almond Breeze unsweetened milk. And I'm doing 1/4 of a cup. Pour that in there. And that is it, y'all. That is a 1 over keto overnight oats. Seal it up, shake it up a bit. And that is it. And it seems like a little bit in this jar, but this is very filling. And that's why it's only 3 tablespoons, because those seeds are very filling. So there's the first one. This is a coconut flavor. And of course you can add a little bit of some stevia. It depends on what type, obviously not sugar, but some sort of sweetener. I don't, because I'll get that from the coconut since this is sweetened. And then my chips are actually 60% cacao instead of a little bit of a higher percentage, so I won't add anything else. But that is it for this one. All right, so we're gonna do the peanut butter one. So this one, I'm going to add peanut butter. Let's see, but first I think I'm going to add, for this one's a little different because it's going to have peanut butter, so this one's going to only require 3 tablespoons of milk. Now, of course, you can add as much as you want, depending on how thick you want it or how runny you want it. So I'm just going to let that sit for a second and coat it. And I'm going to go ahead and add my peanut butter. Oh, okay. So I think I'm just going to do half a tablespoon of peanut butter. So we got the peanut butter in there. So I am going to add some flax seeds to this one. Since I added chia seeds, I'm going to go ahead and grab another little spoon. So this one's 1 teaspoon. So 1 teaspoon is more than enough. All right. Now I'm just going to mix this up. And like I said, guys, you can do whatever you want. See how thick it looks? So I'm going to add a little bit more milk into mine. This one's coconut and this one is peanut butter. And I know that it looks like it's not enough, but trust me, this will fill you up in the morning. All right, guys, so thank you for watching and I will see y'all in my next one. Hey y'all, it is the next morning and I wanted to show y'all what the keto overnight oats look like. So I had already, I ate the peanut butter one, which is not the one that I'm holding, that's the coconut one. But I'm trying to show you that it does thicken up. But those, like I said, those little seeds make you full. I think I'm going to open that other jar as well. I believe I do. But I couldn't even finish it. I had it earlier in the morning. And I just couldn't finish it. It wasn't a lot left, but it was still to the point where I was full. And there's still a little bit in there, but as you can see, it thickens up. So yeah, I think that this is something really healthy. If you did like oatmeal, but if you're on keto or want to do a low carb, go ahead and try the hemp seeds. You will not regret it. Alright y'all, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.